Making Science, Genetic Tools and Citizen Science for SARS-CoV-2 Detection in Environmental Samples, Fomites and Water. A project of the University of Oviedo funded by the European Open Science Cloud, grant for COVID-19 prevention activities number 116. What is it about? The project UA20 COVID-19 ESOC proposes scientific citizen collaboration to develop and validate in situ a methodology to unequivocally identify SARS-CoV-2 from its RNA in environmental samples. Who participated? It was a scientific citizen collaboration, pictured here are the scientists, Alba Ardura, Eduardo Dopico, and Eva García Vázquez. And this is a list of the citizen scientists that volunteered and participated in the project. These were the teams. How was it done? It was done in 4 phases: training, sampling, analysis, and outreach. In the training phase, the volunteers were given a workshop on safety notions, the correct handling of PPEs, and sampling design, and they learned the sampling protocol and how to analyze samples. In the sampling phase, once the citizen scientists had received an adequate training and were provided with security measures such as hygienic masks, screens, and lab coats, they organized in small teams and helped to collect samples from inanimate objects and water from predetermined locations. The volunteers took samples from fomites such as fountains, banisters, intercoms, vending machines, outdoor gym equipment, playgrounds. Urban equipment such as parking meters, rubbish bins, traffic light buttons, mailboxes, benches, pavements, shops, and the train station. They also took water samples from water in Urbies and Pola de la Viana, from the river Turón, La Curuxera, Les Requeixaes, the river Cañaines, and La Chalana Bridge. Pictured, you can see the sampling process. In the analysis phase, the samples were directly analyzed using a portable PCR device to determine whether or not there were traces of COVID-19 in them. Pictured is the lab work done. The results obtained, either positive or negative, were uploaded to the open access geolocalization app called UniCovid, available to all. In the outreach phase, scientists and citizens collaborated in the dissemination of the project on social networks, the radio, on TV, in websites and the press, etc. And they published the results on the usual channels of scientific communication. The project appeared several times in the written press, in newspapers such as El Comercio, La Nueva España, or the ABC. It was also featured many times in TV news and programs from many different Spanish TV channels. On social media, the participants made a Facebook page for the project. The project took place in the months of May, June, July, August, September, and October of 2020. We continue to fight SARS-CoV-2.